These Zjmehty Gateron G Pro 3.0 switches offer an exceptionally light linear feel that makes fast gaming and speed typing effortless without causing finger fatigue. The factory lubrication is applied evenly, so keystrokes feel smooth and consistent right out of the box with no scratchiness or extra tuning required. Their reinforced 3-layer pin structure resists bending during installation and removal, which noticeably improves long-term reliability in hot-swappable boards. A clear upper housing and focused light guide column allow per-key lighting to shine through cleanly, giving keyboards a bright and uniform glow for RGB setups. The switches are compatible with most 3-pin and 5-pin hot-swappable mechanical keyboards, making them an easy drop-in upgrade for many custom and pre-built layouts. Each switch is individually nested in a sturdy plastic case, so the pins and housings arrive well protected and organized for builders who care about clean assembly.